Everyone, today is unboxing day. So today I will be opening my secret channel gift. For you that don't know, I have been participating in a secret channel swap that started back in January, and each month I send a gift to a secret channel. She doesn't know who I am, and I get a gift from a secret channel, and I don't know who she is. So this is a fun collaboration that was started by Ingrid from Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, and it's part of our YouTube collaborators group. If you are a YouTube creator and a woman YouTube creator and would like to join our group, I will post a link below. It is a group, it's a Facebook group for YouTube creators, and we collaborate with each other, we encourage each other, and we motivate each other. It's a great group. I love it. I have made great friendships just because I'm part of this amazing group. So if you want to join our group, I will post the link below, and we'll love to have you. So today, like I say, it's unboxing day, so I'm gonna see what I'm getting for my secret channel for this month. We were supposed to send our favorite recipe and anything else that you would like to send, whatever your heart desired to send. So I'm gonna be opening my box, so make sure you check once you're done with this video. Make sure you check the playlist below so you can see what everyone got for the month of July. Yeah, July. So let's see. Ooh, let's see what we got here. All right. Ooh, looks like I have recipes. It says, Michelle, read this first. Let's see. It says, for flowers, it's showers and sunshine. For us, it's God's love and grace. Oh, wow. That's it. It says, Michelle, I hope you love this month's surprise. I know we were to send our favorite recipe, but I couldn't just pick one. I sent 3 recipes that are our family's top 3 favorites. Yay! You'll also notice I included a book in this package. This is not a cookbook or an ordinary book of recipes, but it is a recipe for creating a healthy mind, healthy body, and a healthy soul by using prayer, scriptures as your main ingredients, and a dash of inspiration to boost your mind. You will find a recipe or 2 along the way as you read through the devotions. You can choose to go daily or weekly or whenever you can find a few moments. I truly hope that this is a blessing to you, and that through these pages you will discover more about yourself and the God who loves you. With much love, your secret channel sister. Oh, this is great. Thank you so much, secret channel. Oh, this seems so sweet. So let's see what I got for a recipe. So I got a recipe for mallow top sweet potatoes. Yum. And I got a recipe for frozen yoganonas, and I think that's what it says. Oh, something with yogurt. This one sounds yummy. Something sweet. I like it. And then next is say mini ham puffs. Very fun. Ooh, how exciting. Oh, I love to cook, so I can't wait to try these recipes. And I love, sweet potatoes, so it's something we can try for Thanksgiving too. So this is the book that she says is Devotions for a Healthier You. Includes meal plan and recipes feeding mind, body, and soul. How cool is this? Look at this. Oh, very cool. I'm always looking for devotions and things. I feel like, and this comes in a great time. I was healthy for a while, and I was eating right, and I just stopped, and it's not like I'm eating too bad, but I stopped working out. So this is great. It came at the right time because I need to start taking care of myself again, and putting working out and eating healthy as a priority in my life. So thank you so much, Secret Channel, for this. It came at a perfect timing. Thank you. So thank you so much, Secret Channel. You always have the sweetest things and the sweetest things to say. I love it. I can't wait to find out who you are. Yay, how exciting. So thanks everyone for watching. Make sure you check the playlist below so you can see what everyone has gotten from January, what everybody got in the month of July. Yes. So I can't wait to see what we get next month. I will see you soon.